Got him. First on, first cast. What's up, guys? Good morning. It is the 31st of December 2022. The last day. It is we are out on the farm with Suriska. The lake is pretty empty, but I'm seeing a lot of movement, especially there. And Suriska, obviously. And yeah, we're gonna go after some olive green fish and some blue or just tilapia. I'm not too sure what kind of tilapia they are in English. I'll probably lay it over my face whilst I'm speaking. Anyway, later start than I wanted to. It's about 8 o'clock, but we are at the water. We are catching fish for my grandma again, so because this is that lake where you can keep the bass. And so we have some bags. We have earthworms for the tilapia, and there's barbel spawning. I don't know about the carp. We'll see what we catch today. Stay tuned. Thanks for following along, and yeah, like the video so long, because I think we're gonna catch a lot of fish. But yeah, let's Suriska's just finishing rigging up, and then we're going out. It is very shallow. Normally the water is up until this wall, so there's a lot of fish activity, which is a good sign, but it is very, very shallow. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a popper for a bit, see if I can't get something. Got him. First on, first cast. On the top water popper. Woo! And it's a keeper size. Right on the shallower water with the top water popper. And we're keeping him. He's gonna make a nice fillet. As I said in the last video, there's a lot of these size fish in this dam, and we think it's a case where there's so many of them the fish can't grow to size, and so we take them out. So I need some special equipment now. Of is dit om nou net getak? Maar sommer so sneakily. Wat er komt. There we go. This fish sneakily took it the first time around. Ah! Daar gaat hij. Kraanvissie. Okay, so I got it, but I missed it. But he was a tiny one, so I would have probably had to let him go. Yes! Oh, dat is een mooie! No! No! That was a nice one. Thanks. Dat was een mooie. Based on a scale of 1 to ouch, how much do you feel losing that nice fish?
Ouch.
Very ouch. That was such a nice bassie, Wes. Het hij mij die... Etienne, Bessie! Get him, Bessie. Oh! Keep your rod down, don't get him to jump. Kan hier stok af, Bessie. De punt van die stok moet af.
I'm trying my best.
There we go. Get him in. That's a nice one, Wes. Just get him away from the water, maybe. There we go. We have another one for dinner. Thank you. There you go, Wes, with a nice 600 gram bass. It's a better one. Nice one, Wes. Showing me how it's done. Hey, Jen. Go, Wes. Go, Wes. Kom. Mooi, Wesie. Dat is een mooie. Weer eens. Another one for the pot. Yeah, Tani. Show it to the camera. There we go. Ves with the, she's bringing back the bacon. Yeah. Bringing home the bacon. Je moet dat hij. Het je gezien hoe pluk je maar die lach uit. Dat was great. There we go, Ves bringing home the bacon. We're gonna throw that one back because it's a tiny one. But it was swimming away with it. I just caught a canary karper on camera with the popper. Well, not on camera, I didn't get the take on camera, but super cool. Vesigans, super cool little fish. This for my first one ever. I think it's a canary karper. Very aggressive type of tilapia this. There you go, canary karper going for the release. Gone. There we go. Canary karper. I don't know what they are in English, but in Afrikaans they're called canary karper. It's a type of Canary Tilapia. I don't know if it's a type of species of tilapia, and they're super aggressive. I've never caught one. I saw Devan catch one here last in April on an earthworm. Was not expecting one. Again, Missy! Here we go, Vessie. Here we go, Ves, bringing him the bacon with the Junebug craw that I gave her, weightless. This is her fourth fish. Her fourth fish, third one we're keeping. She's ushering me along to go come fetch the fish so I can go bonk it so she can catch some more. And I'm now gonna go back and go put this on the stringer and try not to die. Well, I'm not gonna die, I'm out of the water now. But yeah, I'm very stoked with that Canary Tilapia, but I think the popper has done its job. With the overcast weather pulling up a bit, time for me to put on a similar kind of bait to Siriska and go bonk away the fish. Hey, it's a fish eagle. Beauty. There's more, yeah? Nice. We're having a truly South African experience today. Now we even saw a fish eagle, so that's epic. I honestly can't keep up with her. I've literally just returned from bonking the fish, and now she's caught another one, and it's bonkable. Probably gonna have to walk back with it again. I think we can throw him back. I'm just not in the mood to walk all the way back. Let's release this one. He's the lucky one. You know, you have to give back. If you give back, you receive tenfold. Also a vase with a nice one. I think this is about just under a kilo or just on a kilo. Fortunately, it swallowed the hook. So. Oh, yeah. Okay, hy's uit. Oh nee man, hy's op nog op. Kom van daai gras af. Dis 'n kleintjie, is alright. Gaan hy terug in die water met jou? Waar vat jy? Bye. Ek het weer een. Kom. Dis 'n mooi renne hierdie. Well, hy het hom gesluk, so nou is dit klaar. There you go guys, second fish, two casts. This one swallowed it, so it's going to the pot. Maar looking around Siriska, coming to come fetch a fish that we are keeping. She's bundu bashing her way through the grass, catching some nice bass. This is also a nice, just under a kilogram bass, nice for cooking. I'm gonna go dispatch it. How many fish have you caught, Vessels? 8 of them. 8 fish, and here's the one she just caught. There we go. I'm gonna go dispatch it. We are absolutely annihilating the fish today, guys. Everyone is catching on this weightless or a little split sinker on crawl with June bug color, and everyone's catching. I think we're already at 10 bass that we're keeping for the pot, 10 or 11. So we're gonna cook up 5 tonight and keep 5 for the freezer for later. It's gonna be great. Oh, moenie my sê is nou af nie. Hier's op. So kleintjie. Hey. Nee, jy spesiaal vir jouself 'n matbad te gee. Kom hier.
Mooi, Maris!
Lekker Mariska. I don't know which one this is for me for today. Okay. Okay. Hy sê nee, ek wil nie terug hier. Eet my. Eat me. Was hy mooi, wees soos 'n blue tilapia. Dit is 'n bietjie klein vir eet, maar
Ja,
jy het hom.
ek het hom.
Daar's hy wees, daar's jou kurper. Let's get a release on this bad boy. Sien jy moet hulle net soek.
Ja.
Hulle is nie in die oop water noodwendig, hulle is nie, dit is nie gras.
Sien jy het jy gesien hoe die dobbertjie begin swem het?
Dis hoekom ek vir jou gesê het.
Eerste keer gedoen het.
Okay, getting a release on this blue tilapia. I don't know what it is properly in English. There we go. Rustig. Waar is hy heen? Daar gaat hy. Okay. Mooi visie. High fives. Oh.
I think we maybe
Maar nee, ons gaan nog van.
must go back. Altyd môre.
Okay guys, second canary kerper. Not on camera again. Caught him on the craw. June bug. I'm going for the release. There you go. Cheers, my brew. Cool, second one. My camera died, so I didn't have it on camera. We've made it to the end of the video. It's officially, the screen is dirty. It's officially the 1st of Jan 2023. Here is Suriska. And we caught a lot of fish. I caught 2 canary kerper. Both I didn't get on camera because my battery was dead. But I caught them on bass baits. One on a popper, one on a craw, zoom craw. Caught a lot of bass. I'm taking 5 or 6 home for my grandma. And we're going to cook up another 5 now. But I've made a few catch and cooks. So we're going to go do that for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it to here, rather you than me, leave a like down below. Subscribe. It really helps out the channel as always. Hopefully 2023 is going to be another good year filled with hunting, fishing, and more subscribers, more of you guys joining my videos. But anyway, I'll check you guys on the next one. Stay tuned and bye.